we thought we'd take you through our basic camping setup. We've just at a small campground a couple hours from Sydney, and let's take a look. So this is the D-Max that got us here safely with all our gear in it. Let's take a walk around. So we put up the tent earlier. This is the Wanderer Magnitude 6. We've got a little swag style tent, but we thought we'd bring this one along just to try out a different tent before we go on other camping trips. So this is a bit bigger. This is a 6-man tent. Let's take a look inside.
The big reveal. It's nice and clean.
It's massive.
That's how I can fit a queen bed in here.
I wasn't expecting it so big.
Room.
Do we bring a queen bed?
I don't know. We brought a bed for a queen.
Oh yeah, I forgot we brought that bed. We haven't set up the bedding yet, but it's got 2 sections. It's got the big section down the back where we put down a blow-up mattress, and it's got another section out here that you can use if you've got more people. So we won't use that. We'll just use this to store things on this trip. But that's our Austrail auto-inflating mattress. We've got some sleeping bags here. We won't need the below 0 grade temperature on this because it's quite warm where we are at the moment. So we also brought with us this XTM 2200 watt digital inverter generator. So this is the first time we've run this. So we're testing it out. Took us a while to get going. We had to get some help from one of our neighbors over there. It turns out I didn't have enough oil in it, but we got that filled up. Had to do some things with the choke, but got it running. So we're just using this to charge phones and a few other little bits and pieces. That's the XTM generator. So we've also got the Adventure Kings cast iron cooking set, which is this large saucepan or oven that you can cook anything in there. You can cook rice, pasta, cook a stew. We've also got the saucepan that comes with it. And there's 2 other things that I got no idea where they are. Here, there's a saucepan. Another thing we've brought with us is these 2 axes. So there's the Spear & Jackson small hatchet that we use just for cutting up little bits of wood, and also this Saxon 2 kilogram splitter axe. So that's mainly just for splitting the larger logs that we've got, and that's getting us by with our firewood. Now we've got our fire set up. We had the fire pit that this campground has, but we decided to use our own just because it's easier for us to put the grill over the top and cook on. So it's just a small Adventure Kings fire pit that allows us to get a decent fire and get some charcoals going, and we can put this over the top. So that can go over the top either that way or that way, and we can cook on both sides of that. Now this is our little living area. So we've got our Coleman marquee tent, which has got a camp kitchen in here. So this is a camp kitchen that's got a built-in wash basin that we've got there. So we'll be doing the washing up a bit later. This is an Austrail camp kitchen. We've also got a cook area where we can put if we don't want to cook on the fire, we want to do, cook by gas, we can put it there. We've also got our Austrail chairs in here. We've got our esky with us. So we're traveling with this at the moment. We've got a 90-litre fridge that we're going to get installed in the D-Max, but we haven't got around to that yet. So we're running with the esky setup at the moment. So we also have the Spinifex standard shower tent. We use this when we go camping and there's no toilets and showers and stuff around. Doubles as a toilet tent as well. We've got a portable toilet that we put in there. If we take a look inside, so it's pretty sturdy. Jump under the thing there. So have a look in here. Let me help you in. We've got ropes everywhere. So this is the size. So it's pretty big. You've got kind of some hanging areas here, so you can have soap or shower gel, hang up the shower nozzle there, and you can open these as well. So if you want a bit of extra privacy, you can close those up, or if you want the air to flow through, you've obviously got that option to open those up. And so you got the shower head here. There's a couple of different nozzles for that, so you can have one that shoots out more direct water, or you can have the typical shower thing. And we've got a little hook that we can hang it up, so you can leave it up there while you're showering. And then the only other thing is just the pump. So we are boiling water on the fire, over the fire, and we'll put half boiling water and half cold water in there. And this is the pump. So you just need to have the very bottom half, kind of below that grey line, submerged under the water. at any time, and it's going to pump a serious amount of water there. So I think we get probably out of a bucket of water 10 minutes, but enough to do a couple of minute shower. So really handy when we go camping.